Hi, everybody. I want to discuss ATER with you because it's been quite some time since I talked about this stock. And to be perfectly honest with you, it's just been kind of off my radar. It's a stock I've owned for a very long time. And I had no intention of selling because it had already been beat down so hard. And I knew eventually that it would break out again because it does have a pattern of doing this. So that time has come, and it's actually on great news because ATER announced today preliminary fourth quarter results that totally blew away expectations as far as their earnings. It's not the actual earnings, but it's regarding their expected revenue of like 46 million, and they're expecting, I think it was somewhere around 54 to 55 million. Anyways, much higher than what the analysts had predicted. So that being said, ATER really made a nice move to the upside. And guys, I think that there's a potential for it to continue because I think it brought eyes to ATER once again, and the volume was phenomenal today. Let's take a look. Real quick, guys, before I get started, this is not a recommendation to buy, hold, or sell any stock in ATER. Always do your own DD. If you could, smash that like button for me. I greatly appreciate it, and it helps out with the algorithm so other people know what's going on with ATER as well. So the 52-week low is 67 cents. The 52-week high is $7.26. Now, the average volume over the past 3 months has been 1.59 million. Today, we traded 29.9 million shares. Guys, that's crazy. The free float is 73.22 million, and there are 80.87 million total shares outstanding. So we traded, more than a third of the entire shares that this stock has in one day, guys. And it's normally traded, 1/80th of that. So this is huge, and I think that we are going to see a nice move continue upwards in ATER if it follows what it normally does when it breaks out. So if we look at what analysts are predicting, 4 of them have rated it. It is a buy right now. The low is $1.25, the high is $4, and the average is $2.25. Now, when the actual earnings do come out, I wouldn't be surprised if we saw some increases to these analyst price targets. Currently, it is giving off a strong bullish signal that it is showing a short and medium term move to the upside, which I love to see. And 26.27% of all ownership is institutions, corporations own 4.7%, and insiders own 4.71%. And there's a holding company that owns 0.14%, leaving 64.18% to others, meaning you and I and other retail investors. So as you can see, there's a nice diversity here of who owns this stock, and if you're buying it now, you're getting it very, very cheap.
Where we're at and
the short interest is 13.5%. Now, please take this with a grain of salt. I'd be willing to bet it's actually much higher than that, but again, I have no proof. This is only what is reported, and the only people that have to report their short positions are pension funds and other funds that need to disclose. Now, even that 13.5% though, it would take 8.41 days to cover that. That's insane.
That wants to subscribe to the next level.
There are 1,200,000 shares still available to short, and the cost to borrow is still very low. It's only 7%.
So the journey's not over. This business is solid.
If you look over the past 2 weeks, it's been the short volume ratio, which is the shares that are shorted in the dark pool, have been between 23.15 and 52.38%. Today, it was 30.27%. And just so you know, 64% of the total volume was traded in the dark pool today, which is much higher than normal because it's been averaging only 30% of the volume in the dark cool. Again, the amount traded, the volume on average was really down compared to where it's been. So it's spent that time in consolidation. Oftentimes before a stock breaks out, you do see that the volume decreases, followed by a massive spike when it does break out, like what happened today. So this is very normal. And just so you're aware, failure to delivers really don't come into play here. So I don't expect that to be an issue. However, after today, it'll be curious to see what happens, especially if we continue making moves to the upside when the next set of results show us the quantity of failure to delivers that there are, as I expect today produce several, but again, we won't know that for another couple of weeks because this information just came out for the last 2 weeks. But I expect that ATER does continue making moves to the upside. It could potentially get a small pullback before another breakout. That would not surprise me, as it did move up today 37.35%. It was higher at one point, so this may be the pullback that we're seeing now. That's what I expect. And tomorrow, I'd like to see this continue to move higher. Or if not tomorrow, then on Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your night.